Hi Shelby, this is Brad with Burtness Chevy Buick GMC in Whitewater doing a quick walk around video for you. The 2017 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. Nice clean unit. We did sell this one new here. We did most, if not all, the service work on it. It's got the power liftgate. Cold's not being so nice with us right now, but power liftgate in the back. 3 rows of seating, bench, middle seat. Does have the trailer hitch underneath there as well. Super clean inside and out. It does have the dual sunroofs as well. Remote start, blind spot indicators in the mirrors, power seat, Bose premium sound, heated seats. This is the adjustable all-wheel drive as well. Right now it's in front-wheel drive to get better fuel economy. Turn the dial and you get your all-wheel drive. It does have a backup camera, AM, FM, XM radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, this is Brad at Burtness Chevy Buick GMC. This one is a certified unit as well. You get some factory warranty with it and a couple free maintenance visits. So give us a call if you've got any questions. 262-473-6060. Thanks, Shelby.